It began with something simple: a cup of coffee. Not just any coffee, but a cup that gave energy, focus, clarity, and helps to support healthy weight management. A coffee that set the tone for a joyful morning and a beautiful day ahead. That spark led to an idea. What if this daily ritual, the world's most loved, could become more than just coffee? What if it could bring people together? Friends, family, loved ones, one cup at a time. A vision was born. A vision of a community built on hope, joy, respect, and care for one another. A vision where every sip doesn't just make you feel better, but connects you to something bigger. A lifestyle rooted in balance, well-being, and abundance. And so it started. One friend sharing with another, one story leading to the next. One community of coffee lovers growing into something powerful, a movement. That movement became Agara Life. Agara is derived from two Greek words: agora, a community marketplace, and agape, selfless care for others. Together, they embody a place where people come together to share products, purpose, and life. We are more than just a coffee company. We're a community that elevates life with great products, a powerful opportunity, and a purpose to make the world a little better for everyone we meet. This is Agara Life. Join us on our mission to elevate life, one sip at a time.